Hi, so today I'm going to make a video in support of your kidneys. It's a wonderful exercise called the Tortoise Drinks from Deep Pools, and it's actually an exercise taught to me by my friend Minke de Vos. So this exercise is all about bringing vitality into this area around the waist where the kidneys are located, known as your chi belt. So we're going to use a couple access points to get that chi into there. The first one is at the bottom of the foot. So behind the ball of the foot, right there in the center of the foot is bubbling spring. It's the very first acupuncture point that supports your kidney channel. The other point that we're going to work with is directly behind the heart. It's called Shen Dao. And Shen Dao is a place where we'll be releasing fire energy to melt fear out of the kidneys. So the bubbling spring is actually on both feet, and we're going to work with a breath. We're going to work with 3-part breath. So we're going to take a sip up the left side to pull energy up to your left kidney. We'll take another sip up the right side to pull energy into your right kidney. Then we'll take a sip up both feet, up both bubbling spring points up to both kidneys. So this is all inhale, no exhale. We'll hold our breath and wrap our kidneys as if we're imagining wrapping them in blue ribbon. And then we'll take a big exhale since we hold our breath for a while. We'll exhale as we imagine heart flowing down your spine from the back of the heart, from that Shen Dao point, to melt any fear and insecurity out of the kidneys. So let's go ahead and try a few of those together. Let's take a breath in and imagine pulling energy up from the left foot to the left kidney, the right foot to the right kidney on the next sip of breath. Third sip, let's pull energy up both feet to the kidneys, and then hold your breath. Hold the energy in that chi belt and wrap your kidneys. Imagine wrapping them like blue ribbon to leave that vitality in the kidneys. Exhale to release the fire down, to release any fear. Take a breath up the left side. Take another sip up the right side. Take a sip up both sides. Hold the energy, wrap your kidneys. Nice big held breath. Now exhale. Warming them up with fire down the spine. Take another sip up the left side. Up the right. Up both. Hold that energy in your waist as you hold your breath and wrap your kidneys. And release. Let's do a few more of those. Sip up the left side. Sip up the right. Up both. Hold the energy in the kidneys. Wrap. And release. Letting that fire flow down. Last two. Sip up the left. Sip up the right. Sip up both. Hold and wrap. And exhale. Final one. Take a sip up the left side. Up the right. Up both. Hold and wrap. And exhale. Take a moment of pause. Let your hands rest in front of the navel. A few deep breaths in and out through the nose. And rub the belly to lock in that chi. And do a few the other way. And one final thing I'd like to make you aware of is when you're doing this, make sure that as you sip the energy up, don't take it all the way up to the head. You'll become very lightheaded. It's imagine that the energy is being pulled up from your feet to your kidneys so that you can keep the energy in this center of vitality. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.